Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace door speakers. You can see you have two of them and a tweeter actually right there. On Mercedes CLK, this one will be the W208 from 97 all the way until 2003. Stay with us guys, let's go ahead, start on it. And we'll have more than 100 videos on that vehicle. So if you have one, please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. Alright guys, first we'll need to disconnect the battery at least 30 minutes before we proceed. Because we'll be close to the side airbag, so we want to make sure that there is no charge at all. We're going to disconnect the battery now, okay, the positive and the negative ones, and let it stay at least 30 minutes, recommended even more than an hour before you proceed with the next step. So we'll be using a 13mm wrench to disconnect the battery post. Okay, this one is out. Now we need to do the negative as well. Do not close the trunk now, because sometimes the key will not work, guys. Manual unlocking. I'll show you why. Make sure this one is not touching the post. Pull it to the side there. So we will actually put a plastic cap there, okay, to make sure that it's not contacting the battery. This is the lock that gets stuck sometimes. If it hasn't been used with a manual key for a while, it will not work. We have a video how to open it if you accidentally get the trunk stuck. So next we'll need to remove the cover for the mirror. Somebody already installed a screw there and I'll show you why. There is two clips holding it, which you need to pry. Okay, one right here and one towards the back. You can see that's where they're broken because somebody didn't remove it the way they were supposed to. So we'll just get it out of there like that. Okay guys, next we'll need a prying tool. Those you can buy them on Amazon. We usually get those really cheap and they do the job really good. And right here on the bottom there is a place where you can pry that cap. Okay, and it's, believe me, this one is really tight. So you have to go around it a little bit, okay. Okay, like that, you pull it out, you can see where the clips are, holds really good. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and there is one screw that we'll need to remove there. Okay, let's see if we can get it out. You can see how big it is. Next, with that same prying tool, okay, we're going to remove the cap for the airbag. Okay, this one here, you can see it just pulls out. So, underneath another screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, like that. Another one here on the lock. It's a little screw now, so we can remove that plastic piece. Perfect. Next we have three more that we need to remove with the same Phillips screwdriver. Pretty easy procedure so far, guys. Okay, the one there as well. Okay, perfect. This one should come off. It's stuck a little bit. Okay, on the rubber part right there. Next we'll need to remove that switch. Here you need to start on this side, then the top and bottom with the prying tool. Okay, I'll show you where the clips are. Okay, the wires we need to just pull it out, and I'll show you where all the clips are now. One is broken. You're supposed to have a clip here. This is the bottom one, this is top right here, and this is towards the front. Okay, so this is out of the way now. Alright guys, with that prying tool now. You can use a screwdriver, but you might damage the paint and the panel. Okay, you need to start prying the clips off. Okay, and there is a few of those. Okay, you can see we have more. Now we need to go up, okay, right here. So you just grab it up, pull it up to make sure that this comes out of the hole. Now we'll need to disconnect the handle, okay, the interior door handle. So let me just get a good view there. Okay, that's how we're going to do it. Perfect, just like that. We need to disconnect the wire on the bottom for the light. And this one has melted here actually. Okay, it came out. Let me show you now. That's what it looks like. So now guys, that's the door panel. Let me show you all the clips on it so you know where to apply pressure. This is towards the back. Okay, you can see on the bottom we have 6, 2 on the front side, and this is the thing that goes in right here on this seal. So that's the one you need to lift up at the end. Alright guys, we got the door panel out of the way. Now you can see we have access to both of the speakers, and that's where the wires are. You need to press both of those in and pull it out. Okay, very easy. Let me just show you one more time. Okay, you squeeze those in and pull it out. We have 3 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to use the machine and cheat a little bit so we can save you time and not getting a screw removed for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, and this speaker is out of the way. Now the other one, right here, we have 3 screws as well, but let's go ahead and disconnect the wire too. The same procedure, you push those in and pull out. Okay, this one is out too. Perfect. Now it just comes out. So that's the speakers guys, that's how you remove them if you need to replace them with new ones. Thank you guys for watching. If you have a broken cap like the one right here, we have a video how to do that as well. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.